much Phoenix. Jonathon Daily.
They got married in Tennessee, where there's no time limit for a spouse to become eligible for alimony, as long as there's a financial need. Come to find out, it was her idea to get married in Tennessee because of this luxury venue, apparently this popular luxury venue in Athens, Tennessee, and that the venue was real top tier. Was that the real reason? Do you really think that that was the real reason? Consider it now what you know about the state of Tennessee. I thought it was strange them getting married in Tennessee and nobody has any ties to the place. She's not from there, her people's not from there, Travis Hunter ain't from there, never played football from there, and his peoples ain't from there. This chick know what she's doing. And the more I find out about this, the dumber Travis Hunter looked to me.
Man, I feel for this guy, but we warned him. People on the internet warned him. This girl had every red flag in the book. Now, there's been rumors, and I think they're literally just that. I think it's fake news. I think it's AI videos of him hitting her, but I don't think that's accurate. But if it is, then maybe the divorce is, warranted in this case. And I would never say that she deserves to be hit. But if the amount of disrespect this woman showed him, both prior to the marriage, during prenup talks and after the marriage, I've seen allegations of her cheating with a teammate. I think that's probably fake news as well. It just looks like a woman that was money hungry from the get-go. I mean, Travis Hunter's not the best looking dude, and people tried to warn him, dude, this girl just wants your money. She knows you're going to get a huge contract. And of course, they got married in May, I think, of this year. And there was prenup discussions. And of course, she talked him out of it because why? We don't need a prenup because this is about love, baby. And then what is it? 3-4 months later, and she's already filing for divorce and is demanding $40 million, which is pretty much the equivalent of his entire rookie contract. Yeah, be careful, boys. I feel bad for this guy. And people are saying, well, he deserves it. We warned him. I hope this case, and maybe I'll do a follow-up episode and really do a deep dive into the legal issues of that divorce case. But I hope whoever the judge is really, come on, let's change. Let's go back to the organization Papa was talking about. The laws of family law, they are changing, but they need to change faster because of this type of stuff. This woman is a absolute fraudulent schemer, and there's going to be women that back her. And no, these women are potentially destroying our freaking foundation. They're destroying families is what they're doing. Men don't want to marry anymore, and they're destroying kids because they don't care about kids. They're just after them for child support. They weaponize their kids. They just use them as tools. These kind of women are destroying society, and we need to say to put an end to it. Seriously, this is straight from the devil. If you can destroy families, if you can destroy the marriage, you can absolutely destroy Western civilization as we know it and freedom. So that's where it starts. But hey, that's pretty much all I wanted to say about that. In closing, there's statistics to back this up. But men out there and women, the most important decision you will make in your life is who you choose to marry. And this goes back to this Travis Hunter situation. This guy's who had everything going for him. And I really hope he's able to get through this divorce. If he has to pay her some money and just make sure she can never touch you again, get as far away from her as you can and go kill it on the field and bust your butt and have a great career. I wish nothing but the best for Travis Hunter. Get away from this evil woman. She never loved you. She doesn't care about anything but herself. And she is an evil, despicable woman who has the devil inside of her. So again, the most important decision in your life you'll ever make is who you choose to marry. So be careful out there, boys. I've learned from my mistakes. Luckily, a silver lining here is maybe that this happened as soon as it did is actually a good thing for you, Travis Hunter. Maybe it is a good lesson. You're still young. You still have a big, bright career ahead of you. Get away from this evil woman while you can. It could have been worse. You could have done it 10 years later and been cheating on you, taking money all along the way. So maybe this is a good thing in hindsight. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you for listening. And again, please subscribe, like, share our stuff because that is the only way we can keep telling the truth. And Facebook does not want us to be shown. They've already suspended our page. They won't specify why. Their customer support's terrible. They've revoked our verified status. So the only way we're going to be able to get out and expand is with your help. So please give us a shout out and support us. Reach out any way you can. And again, thanks for listening.
For the latest in case updates, legal tips, news, and politics, make sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and our other socials, and above all, subscribe on YouTube to get your dose of excellence on a daily basis.